What do birds do? This is the way we scratch for worms, scratch for worms, scratch for worms. This is the way we scratch for worms so early in the morning. This is the way we peck our food, peck our food, peck our food. This is the way we peck our food so early in the morning. This is the way we sit on our eggs, sit on our eggs, sit on our eggs. This is the way we sit on our eggs so early in the morning. We flap our wings, flap our wings, flap our wings. This is the way we flap our wings so early in the morning. This is the way we fly away, fly away, fly away. This is the way we fly away so early in the morning.